and shame. Welcome back to another vlog with this crazy man right here. He got a whole attitude because he got to drive today. So whatever. So today is gonna be more so of a chill day. We just want to kind of spend time with you. So we are actually, hold on, let me turn this down because I know y'all can hear this air. So right now we are actually headed to church. Church started at 11. It is 11:27.
Worship the Saviors.
Yes, it is 11:27 and he has made us late. Y'all think I'll be the one running late? It's really him. So whatever.
Outfits by the time.
That is not true. So we are getting ready to head to church, and then y'all will see what we do the rest of the day. Just know it's gonna be something insane. All right, y'all. So we just got out of church, and let me tell you something. This day was it was kind of a misbehaving day, and I'm gonna tell you why. I don't get hungry often, like due to my surgery, but once I start feeling hungry, I am hungry. I'm sitting there, before I know it, I'm looking at all type of menus like, oh, we going there, I'm getting this, I'm doing this. But listen, and in addition to that, y'all, this one, I'm here, stop. I'm listening to this sound, right? And I'm like, something sound familiar. This one over in there, not only is he asleep, he's snoring. So I'm like, oh, Lord, we might as well just go home because he's sleepy, I'm hungry, let's get on out of here. But we made it through, and now we about to go eat. And you know, he about to start sleeping. How did I know you would sleep without looking at you?
I was worshiping in peace.
I can't get you off my mind. Girl, you know that this will burn. And you know that we ride. Don't hesitate, just hit my line. Lay on me as I recline. Time moving fast, can we rewind? You say this vibe got you high. You say you feel like paradise. Gotta keep you on my side. I can see you as my wife. I will need you on my life.
So we just left out of the Broadway Oyster Bar, and I got one question. How you gonna be called the Oyster Bar and you ain't got no oysters? That's like going to Burger King and they ain't got no burgers. Chick-fil-A ain't got no chicken. We expect McDonald's not to have no ice cream, but what if they ain't had no Big Macs? Like, if I go there and it's called the Oyster Bar, I want some oysters, and I just start eating them. That was the whole reason we came here. But at the same time, that's not their norm, so you know, we'll give them a pass. But still, where my oysters? Okay, so we just put up at Alta, and you do not need to go in.
I can't go.
You don't need to go in?
Look at this marvelous beard. I might find something.
Ain't nothing in Ulta that you need.
No, they got universal products.
There's nothing in Ulta that you need.
Let me be great.
All right, y'all. So I'm running low on lip gloss. Y'all been asking me about the purple gloss I've been wearing, and so I'm gonna show you what it is. And then I also need some perfume. So let's go shopping. So this perfume is the Lancome Eau. It smells so freaking good. I got it because Zendaya, whatever her name is, she was on the cover, so I was like, I needed it. But when I got it home, I smelled it. It smells so good. So since I'm here, let's check out the hair products. So they got a whole lot of Pattern. I want to love Pattern. The only product from them that I'm absolutely obsessed with is their this little rice water treatment. It honestly is so good. This is their Shea Moisture. I did use that Manuka honey shampoo. What? Yes, what about it?
This is the best product for natural curly hair.
Okay, thank you for your opinion.
That's my experiences.
Okay, great, awesome. So I used the Manuka honey shampoo. That was actually good, but everything else here I've never really gotten into. And you know, we love just some good old Whitney and Melanin honey. All right, so then here's the TGIN. I love the Miracle Repair line. The Rosewater line is cool. I can make it work, but I love the Miracle Repair line more. I did not know Camille Rose was here, so, you know, kudos to them. And then the main choice collections that they have here are respectfully the ones that's not intended for me, except for the boosting kit. I like the boosting kit. Wait a minute, when they put got to be in her, I gotta just glue my wig down, so I need that. Well, we just got out of Ulta when what was supposed to be a self-care situation for just me has turned into Okay, no thanks. So I got some more of the This Is Milky gloss from NYX. I love the blue one and the purple one. I'm actually gonna put some on because my lips dry now. And then I got the perfume I told y'all about, which is the Lancome Idole. This smells so cute and feminine. It has a lot of jasmine and floral in it. And then we got 2 of the coconut and hibiscus shea butter. So yeah, just
for the hubby.
Yeah, so my self-care day turned into
Lather me up.
Good morning, Vietnam! Finally, I got some me time. Let me tell you something. I don't care how in love you are with your partner. Me time is important, honey. I had to ditch that man, so it is the next day. And I'm finally getting ready to do some self-care for me because why? I deserve. So, number one, my eyebrows. I have been doing my own eyebrows, and lately I have been lazy. Number one, because I lost my razor in the move. Number two, I just have not been motivated to do it, and I'm trying to snap out of that, get my femininity back, and get my fabulousness back on. So I'm getting ready to get my eyebrows threaded. I have not had that done in a long time because I was like, the last time I did that, it hurt. And so I'm hoping that, you know, whatever, child, just as long as it's cute. Beauty is pain sometimes, honey. And then I need my toes done. Let me tell you something. This man ain't never cared about his feet before, but now all of a sudden he's like, I want to go with you. No, sir, this is my time. I'm not sharing time with you. And let me talk about something else. My trip to Ulta was ruined. Let me tell you why. I am a shopping addict. I don't have no problem telling you that. Clothes, shoes, toiletries, perfumes, whatever. I like to shop. It has really increased since my surgery, but I'll tell you more about that later. But anyway, I love shopping. I wanted to go in there and go crazy. I wanted some makeup. Why? Because in my move, I lost my stuff. My Fenty Skin Tint, lost it. My Kat Von, I'm about to call it Kat Von D. It's KBD now, that vegan beauty foundation, lost it. My new Morphe foundation, lost it. I lost so much makeup. I'm almost out of concealer. I wanted to blow a bag, but that was ruined. Why? Because I'm married to Julius from Everybody Hates Chris. This man is awesome. Don't you have some dreams to fund? Wouldn't it be better that you use the money for your dream and not on your face? I'm like, dude, what you are talking about is logic. I don't want to be logical. I want to spend money. Now I know he's looking out for me. He's telling me the right thing to do, but still, like, I just be wanting to go shopping. If I wasn't rapping, baby, I would still be around Mercedes. All right, we've arrived. Let's go get hair snatched out of our face. Y'all, I'm really trying not to psych myself out, but now I'm like, maybe I should just go get it waxed, because last time I remember, this crap hurt. And we are complete. I thought that was gonna be way more painful than it was, but it wasn't. But this was actually my first time coming to this shop, and she was really good. So if you are in the St. Louis area, I am on New Ballas Road. I'm gonna show you her card right here. They are incredible. Like, you can still feel his hair coming out of your face. But like I was saying, you still getting hair ripped out your face, but she made it way more tolerable. And in comparison to what I was looking like, I've not seen my eyebrows like this in a while. I don't think I've let anybody professionally do my eyebrows in about a year, especially since the Panasonic started. So this was my first time, and I really like them. All right, now it's time to get my feet done. I'm not even gonna discuss y'all and show y'all what it's looking like right now, but I'm gonna just say this. It's been about a month, and on my big toe I have an acrylic toenail, and y'all know I'm allergic to that, so that means my skin is cracked. When I say I need the touch from the Lord, from, like, listen, looking a mess, honey, I don't know what in the final destination is going on here, but you will not trap me today, Satan. All right, we here. Operation Get Human Feet Again is now in full effect. Now, y'all know I've been playing with color. I done did my little red. I done did my pink. But it is summertime, and y'all already know white toenail season in effect. All right, so my feet no longer look like eagle's claws. So, look, I have to go home and do my hair. First of all, can we acknowledge the fact, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got a puff. Honey, y'all should have never let me find that out. I got me a little puff on it. I ain't never washing my hair no more. I have been working out with my trainer. I'll give you more information on that when I do my weight loss journey update. But I've been working out like hard. Like when I say hard, I mean hard. And so with that being said, my hair does not last because the first place I sweat from is my scalp. And so I'm really having to like toy with protective styles. Originally I said I wasn't doing no more headband wig collaborations, but honey, the lie detector determined that was a lie. But today I'm actually doing a ponytail, and I can't wait. I hope it turned out cute because I feel like a little poppy. So we getting ready to go home and do my hair, but I just wanted y'all to see mother got a pop. And now my makeover is complete and my maintenance is done for the day. Well, kinda. So after this, I actually have a video that I have to record. So I'm gonna get dressed, do some real cute makeup or whatever. But listen to me, that is probably going to be the most foolish video I have ever recorded. What I'm recording is in this package right here. And when I tell you, so anyway, this is your reminder. Make sure you set some time apart for yourself today. Do something with your hair. Get you something to drink or something, you know, a little coffee, or maybe something even stronger, whatever. But do something to make yourself feel good. So I'm gonna get this video uploaded and post it hopefully today. If not, y'all will see me sometime soon. But just keep on the lookout. The next video after this vlog is going to be ridiculous. So with that being said, and honestly, I'm looking forward to that. And let me just say this. I love natural hair. I really do. But it can get boring. So sometimes, you know, you got to come in and shake the table. You got to do something a little ridiculous, all in the name of good fun. Because who want to be serious and stuffy and talking about hair and stuff all the time? Who cares? Like, listen to me. Who cares? So with that being said, that's the end of this video. That's all I got to say. I'll see y'all probably tomorrow. Bye.